What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode down here in South Florida. We're gonna be doing some bass, peacock bass fishing here with my dad and Rick Barnhart. We're gonna be doing a guided trip out in the canals. So hopefully we catch a few. Let's get to it. Oh, it's a...
It's peacock.
No, it's a peacock. Yeah.
Nice.
First one ever.
Grab him behind. Yeah, just be careful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you some grippies out because they're strong. They're one of the strongest fish you'll ever lift. They're hard to hang on to on that side. Hang on, man. We'll get you a good picture of the first one. Hang on, man.
I'm gonna catch one while you're doing that.
Hey, this is what you want to put in them until you get the hook out here. This way you don't have to. Oh, there you go. Now you don't have to hold them. Because they are. Let me tell you, they're all muscle. Just hold it right here. Take it right here. I'll give you some pliers. Nice.
Oh, he went and hooked himself again.
Now you can take him off and flip him. There you go. Be a better picture without those in there.
I just caught my first peacock bass.
Beautiful fish, too.
Oh, here.
Look how pretty green that fish is. You'll get some better fish today.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Let's get the release.
Nicely done.
Oh.
Oh, this way?
These fish change, man. They get ripe and pretty when the sun is.
Got him, Jake?
Remember what I was saying about you hit a little spot, you'll pop a few. That's just how it does with this fishing. Well, that's a Mayan cichlid. That's a Mayan. This is a cousin of the peacock. These are really pretty also. Look at that. Look at I'm surprised he hit this hard bait. Usually he hit live bait.
Sweet.
He smoked it too.
Yeah, they're super fighters. They're really good. Now, let me get a grip in his mouth. These guys got teeth. Look at the teeth in his mouth. Look.
Oh yeah, he got some little...
Yeah, he's got a row of teeth in him, so you don't want to lip these guys. Come on, baby, get in now. No, that mouth ain't too big. All right, there we go. Want me to get a pic of it? Are you just recording it?
Yeah, I'll just record it like this.
It's a Mayan cichlid, M-A-Y-A-N.
His name real quick.
Cool. Looks like an aquarium.
Oh, yeah.
Get the release.
Not that same one.
That one that you missed a minute. You did the old bass flip, man. I like it.
Yeah.
You gotta learn how to do that in tournaments, boy. You gotta be quick like that.
Yep. We messed around in a tournament.
Lost a $300 fish.
Because we were messing around with nets. Should just boat flipped it.
Huh?
Yeah,
Let me drop his tail. I don't hold. I keep him from shaking so much. There
Yeah.
you go. Now do it. There you go, bud.
Yeah, watch a $300+ fish swim off.
Yeah, that sucks when that happens. We've all made them mistakes. Oh, you got it.
Oh, good.
You got him flying there. Let me get them nice new shorts all bloody.
Oh.
You got battle scars, man.
Oh well, they're stained anyways. Stained with full air grease.
Just dip him in the water. Hold it tight. You don't want to shake on him. Dip him and clean him off. Okay, man, you're back in the game now.
Yeah, we're back in the groove.
He hit you right up close to the boat, too, didn't he?
Yeah. Like right up there. All I know is that if it happens, you're grabbing the blue camera right there and you're pulling it out.
Tell me I'll turn it on.
Click the red button.
Come on.
Hazy cloud cover is helpful a little bit in this kind of fish. They love the sun, but
Yeah.
I like the sun more with the sight fishing.
BB?
I'm coming back.
There you are.
See, that's typical. You're going to catch fish like this because the top hooks end up in their mouth, and then the secondary hooks hit them on the side, but then the mouth hooks come free.
Yeah, in a bass tournament, you'd have to let that one go.
Well, see, if you look, those hooks will. He was hooked in the mouth. See where that other hook is?
Oh, yeah.
But it comes free. That's why, you know, he was hooked in the mouth, but then the other hooks what held him. Got it?
Yeah.
Let you have it. So, man, you got hot real quick right there. That's how it goes in this kind of fishing. It's just bang, bang.
Come on. All right, I'm changing the battery. I don't care.
Here, real quick.
Get the release. They never want to just be released. They just...
Is that the same fish?
Yeah, no, it might be the male. There's always two. You just sometimes you can't. The other one will show up. You'll know pretty quick if he strikes at it. That don't look like the same fish. Does it to you?
Not really.
Yeah, that's not. You got it. You have it.
No.
Just all you gotta do is a little hook set's okay. Just a good little pop.
Just a little pop.
There you go. Let it come. He may hit it when it comes off.
Yep.
There you go. Look at that. Is that badass or what?
That's awesome, man.
That's the male. That's the bigger one.
Yep.
Bring this one. Bring this one.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Hey man,
That
that was
pretty
perfect work, man. Really, I tell you what, you guys got to pardon me a little bit because I'm gonna coach hard.
Oh, we don't buy it.
Because I just know what these fish do. You know, it's weird. They got like a personality.
Come on, Logan, dude.
That was an excellent job, really. I give you full credit for that one. That was awesome.
Did you have the video?
Awesome right there. Yeah.
Video that?
Did you?
Okay, nice.
Ah, he can't. Strong fish, dude.
That fish hit that when it came off that little log. Nicely done.